In this video, I will show you how to extract smart object. This is a regular text, which means I can edit it and scale it up or down without any loss from the quality, since the text is a vector. And let's convert it to smart object. Now, if I want to bring it back to a regular text, if I right click and choose rasterize layer, I will lose the ability to edit it since it becomes a pixel layer, which means if I scale it up, it will pixelate. So I'll press undo. If I want to extract the smart object, unfortunately, there are no option for extracting smart object. We have made a lot of suggestions to Adobe to put this option, but no response till now. So we have to do it manually by double clicking in the smart object, then click and drag like so. Let's delete it. Now I have my regular text back that I can edit it.